Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is decimal multiplication and we will work out these. So let's A part is 2, a whole number that will multiply with the decimal number 0.1. So for the decimal multiplication, you will ignore the decimal first and you will write the value 2 multiplied by 1. You will multiply 2 with 1. So 2 multiplied by 1, that will be 2. As you has finished your multiplication, because there was just one number 2 and one decimal number 1, after multiplying you have to see how many numbers and how many values after decimal. So after decimal we just have one number here or one value here, and when you will write the value in answer, so from the last number or last digit to the left you have to write the decimal. So we have just one number after decimal, so from the right to left, so you write there, and towards the left side you have to put your decimal, and this way. So let's take one more example with two numbers like 65 multiplied by 0.1. Now in the same way you will ignore this decimal. You will write 65 multiplied by 1. 65 multiplied by 1, that will be 65. Now its the second step is putting decimal. So you will see we just have decimal here and we have just one value after decimal. So you will write value here, and from the last digit towards the left side you will mark your decimal, and we have just one value after decimal, so you will put decimal here, and from last number towards left side you will put your decimal. Now what if we have decimal in both values, like 3.2 multiplied by 0.1. So we have decimal 3.2 and decimal 0.1. So 3.2 you will ignore this decimal and you will ignore this decimal for the multiplication. 32 multiplied by 1. 32 multiplied by 1, that will be 32. And after that you have to see how many values after decimal. So in this side or in this value we have a decimal and one value after decimal, and in the second side or in the second value we have one value after decimal. So two value must be after decimal. So you write your answer here, and from the last number towards the left side, like last number towards the left side. So we need two values after decimal. So one value, second value, now done. So you will put decimal here and then it's done.